This is a bird nesting platform we just made. We're going to give it a try. Oh, that's a blue jay nest. I put that in there. An old one left over from last year. Here's what it looks like. I think birds will nest in it. First step is to mount the log that's included on any beam. This you can see is up underneath a woodpecker nest. He built a nest up there last year. We're going to try and get him to plant one here. I drilled the 2 screws in here, and then I'm going to sink it up here and put them in right there. And that should hold it nice and steady. Now the nest is screwed in. It's all set. Anchored here. It's anchored here. Very strong. And should serve as a good nesting platform under a deck. Now the blue jay perch, or bird perch, is complete. Let's see how they like it. Shaded and protected. It's got a landing area. Should be awesome.